Ripple XRP, it has been confirmed. The time has now come. We have some more progress on the Bitcoin spot ETS, and I'm going to be showing you what is going to be happening with that. We also have some good news about the price action for XRP coin. Of course, we will be talking about XLM coin as well. All I ask from you are two things, which is to smash that like button and to subscribe to the channel as well. So first things first, happy holidays to everyone. I hope you are all having a great day wherever you are in the world. Now, the first bit of news that we have is coming from Eleanor, and she has confirmed that the date for the final amendments to all S1 filings is by Friday the 29th. So we have roughly around about 4 days now, and the SEC has told issuers that applications that are fully finished and filed by Friday will be considered in the first wave, and anyone who is not will not be considered. And in addition to this, the filings cannot mention in-kind creation or they will be rejected. So we have cash or in-kind when it comes to the filings, and basically in-kind means that it's going to be payment in the form of anything that's not money. So it could be goods, services, commodities and things like that, and it will be rejected if it does say in-kind. So it can't mention that. And if we look into the detail of these issuers and the filings, you can see over here we currently have roughly around about 14, I believe, that are counted up. And we have the main ones such as the Grayscale, BlackRock are, I suppose, the big ones, right, that we have heard of, and Franklin Templeton as well. And you can see over here they have had recent meetings within December, and the most amount of meetings are Grayscale. I think the reason why is because the SEC already went after Grayscale with regards to their conversion of the ticker, and there was a bit of work going on with that. So you can see that the creation type is either in kind or cash, and they haven't really stated which one it will be. But of these 14 ETS, we are going to see a proportion that will be able to go in the first wave, and it will be interesting to see what comes out of this and if any are going to be rejected or not included within the first wave. In addition to this, we have January the 10th being that deadline on our calendars for the approvals. Now we could potentially see a delay on this, right? The SEC may push it back and it may actually not be January the 10th. I think because of the fact that we have now built up a lot of hype and speculation, if it doesn't happen on that date, we may see a little bit of red in the market because we are expecting it. So guys, the price action of XRP, a lot of people have been talking about it. Yes, we have been slow. We have not been pumping up as much as these other altcoins that we have seen, and they've pumped up by 100% or 200%. Again, many are losing their patience with XRP, and it's just a bullish indicator that we are getting very close to institutional adoption. This game was designed to make retail investors quit. Unfortunately, that is the harsh reality. You only win if you switch your focus from price action, and I totally agree with this, guys. And when we are not having these big pumps and the price action is very stagnant and doesn't move, people get very much angry and frustrated because they want quick money now. And unfortunately, that is not how it happens. In the crypto world, if you hold a coin for roughly 3 or 4 months, that's basically nothing, right? That's equivalent to holding a coin for weeks. Even if you hold a coin for a year, you've only technically held the coin for roughly around about a couple of months, right? Because of the way that the crypto cycles are. You need to be able to hold these coins, but at the same time, leave it to one side and then focus on making money elsewhere, whether that be a job or a side hustle or something like that, because that way you don't get frustrated and you don't just rage quit and sell your coins. And we all know that once you sell, the price goes up, and that's exactly what has happened. And for those of you that have sold your positions, well, let's take a look at what the whales have done. We have over here just 2 days ago that the whales bet big on Ripple. They have accumulated 360 million in XRP. Well, guys, it goes to show that we've got whales coming in again, and they recently amassed $223 million worth of XRP. And again, that was trading at what, roughly around about 61 cents at a really low point. I think we actually did hit 59 cents as well not so long ago. So they bought in at a very good price. You can see over here it was roughly around about that time. So whales have got in, they saw the opportunity, they took it, right? And that's what you need to do as a retail investor. And look, guys, all I can say, I'm going to give a bit of a clap here just to say that XRP on Christmas Day has now reached 64 cents, right? We are up by 4.43% on the 1-day chart. I think I did have someone comment on my channel that they are frustrated with XRP and they're going to sell it, and that was a day ago. And look what happened, right? And if they actually sold their XRP and they went ahead with what they said, then they would be looking at the charts right now, seeing that XRP has gone up. And guys, is always the case when it comes to cryptocurrency. It's not only about the trading and charts, it's also about the emotional mindset that you have. So you can see over here for the volume, we are up by 77.42% and we are trading at $1.6 billion. So again, we are seeing more volume now. We are up and above that $1 billion point. Let's have a look at the spike. So today at 8:15, that is where we were trading at 0.61 182. And you can see over here we've had that nice run up, and we even surpassed all of the way above that 63% level, and we are in that mid-range of the 64 cents. Now, if you have been watching my channel and my videos for quite some time, you'll know that I wanted XRP to hit 65 cents, hopefully by the end of the year. But again, this is a massive spike on the 1-day chart, and so we don't really have any sort of support level for the price action, because if you have a look on the 7-day chart, we are up by 9.5%, which is really good, right? We are in the green, but our support level mainly consisted at that low end of the 61 cents. So potentially after this mini spike that we've had, we could come back down to maybe 63 or 62 cents, and that is where we could possibly hold. But this just goes to show that XRP is on the right track. We are doing exactly what we are meant to do. And guys, on the 1-year chart, let me just reiterate our gains. We are up by 85.4%, and you can see over here we are doing pretty well, so good news for XRP. And with that, we also have a nice surprise as well for Stellar XLM. We are currently trading at 0.1314, and we are up by 3.58% on the 1-day chart. Again, with the volume, we are up by 39.42%, and we are trading at $97.6 million. We've had that nice spike as well. You can see over here we were trading at 0.1271 with around about $20 million less in the volume, and we've gone up all the way here to that 13 cents. 13 cents is exactly where I wanted XLM coin to hit for our next price target. But again, on the 7-day chart, we are up by 11.43%, and look at this nice upward momentum for XLM. We are doing pretty good. We're not seeing massive spikes and then coming down, but we saw some good upside and pretty strong as well in the way that we are moving. Now, Stellar XLM could potentially come back to that mid-range of the 12 cents after we see the spike, but as long as it's stable in that price zone, that will show good strength to me. Guys, if you want daily XRP and XLM coin news, subscribe to the channel and like the video as well.